5 quick art tips for beginners. Number 1. Stretch. Your arms and back will thank you. Number 2. Keep updating your portfolio. Get rid of the stuff from last year. Number 3. Sketch in pen or in pencil without an eraser sometimes. Number 4. Contrast means difference. Black versus white, less detail versus more detail, etc. Number 5. Multitask. Work on different projects at the same time. Thanks for watching. Did you know I have a website? It's got my comics, illustrations and my blog, which is updated weekly. It also has free downloadable resources for beginners like perspective grids, tutorials on things like value, as well as my own custom brush pad. Did I mention they're free? They're free! Check it out in the description and sign up to my email address so you can be the first ones to see the updates.